Hello students, welcome to our J Prep channel. Hope all of you are doing well as usual. Today we will do one problem on motion under gravity. Now let us read the problem. A stone is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 4.9 meter per second. Mean this is the upward portion. Calculate maximum height reached, time taken to reach the maximum height. Third, the velocity with which it returns the ground. And fourth, the time taken to reach the ground. Now, what is the methodology of this problem? Let's see. See, there is a stone which has been thrown in an upward direction. As it is thrown in the upward direction, value of g is negative. Okay? And at the highest point, velocity of the stone will be 0. Now, this stone is thrown with velocity 4.9 meter. So, initial velocity is 4.9 meters. Okay? Then v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is one of the kinematical equation that we have. And we want to first calculate the maximum height reached. Final velocity is 0 at the top point. Initial velocity is 4.9 meter. Plus 2 into acceleration is negative minus g. That is minus 9.8 into s. That is the height attained by that stone. Okay. So therefore 0 equal to 4.9 square minus 2 into 9.8 h. This term I will take to the side. This will become 2 into 9.8 to h is equal to 4.9 square. Now h is equal to 4.9 whole square divided by 2 into 9.8. So this is 4.9. 4.9 square means 4.9 into 4.9 divided by 2 into 9.8. So this is the 4.9 will cancel 9.8, will get 2. So this will be 4.9 upon 4. Therefore h comes to be 1.225 meter. Means that stone attains 1.225 meter height. Now second question is the time taken to reach the maximum. Let's see how to work out this. Now to find the time taken to reach the maximum height, this is also known as the time of ascent, is given by this formula v is equal to u plus at. Again, at the highest point velocity is 0, initial velocity is u, that is a 4.9 meter, acceleration is minus g into time t as it is. Therefore t is equal to u upon g, u is 4.9 and g is 9.8, t is equal to 0.5 seconds, that is 1 by 2 seconds. So therefore that stone takes 0.5 seconds to reach the highest point. Now let's see the third question. What is the third question? The velocity with which it returns to the ground. The initial velocity will be velocity at the highest point, that is u equal to 0, because now this is a downward motion. Okay, and for downward motion, velocity at the highest point will be the initial velocity for this stone. Therefore u is equal to 0. Velocity of the ground will be the final velocity, that will be v. So I will use this kinematical equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now this is the downward motion, value of g is positive. So therefore then initial velocity u is 0, v will be as it is, plus 2 into a is plus 9.8 into s is 1.225 meter. And if you solve this, you will get v is equal to 4.9 meter per second. Means when the stone reaches the ground, its maximum velocity at the ground is 4.9 meter per second. Now the fourth question is the time taken to reach the ground. Means the stone is being thrown upward, it attained the maximum height, that is the time taken to reach the maximum height is time of ascent. Then it falls down, the time taken by the stone to reach the ground is time of descent. So the total time of flight is the total time taken to reach the ground, which is twice of the time of ascent, means which is twice of the time taken by the stone to reach the maximum height. So this is equal, t is equal to 2 into time of ascent, 2 into 0.5 seconds. Therefore t is equal to 0.5 into 2, that is 1 second. So this is the sum which is based on motion under the gravity. Hope all of you must understood this sum. And students, if you want to perform very well in JEE examination or MSCET examination or NEET examination, I strongly recommend for subscribe our channel. Thank you.